Hello guys, and welcome to the next video of Trainset. Today we are at Twyford. Just departing now is the Great Western Railway service to Henley-on-Thames from Twyford here. And there it goes. Anyway, this is a bit of a big station. We have Daddy. There's a train going to Wedding at 13:31.
Ours is 13:37 then, isn't it? 3 minutes earliest.
So it says mind the gap, but well, we came here on our bikes again and there's a train coming on platform 4. What is happening? I have no idea. I'll just pause it and then wait until it finishes. Right, it's finished. There you go. There's a train coming on platform 1 there. No. Here it comes. A real fast whopper. Now the only ones that don't stop on platform 1, that 4 and 3, are freight trains. I see some headlights. And it's coming on platform. Oh wait, it's coming that way. Oh no. Yeah, it's from Didcot Parkway, so it's going to be a nice electric one. And can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see that. It's just about. This is a bike parking place. What are trains coming? I know, you see it. Right. Where are you coming from? 9. It's about to arrive. Here it comes. Just coming in now at 1:19. This is the service from Didcot Parkway.
Bacon sandwiches in there, okay? I've had mine already.
Okay.
Pause for a sec, have it.
Yeah, so once this train goes. And it's a. Now this is my actual first time here. And there's a train coming on platform 1. Again. Doors are closing. Here it comes. It's like an exact copy, except with this train in. As it's just about to go, the wheels are turning, and here it goes. Say bye bye train! Bye bye train! Right, so I'll pause it until the next one comes.
I'll go over there
Yeah?
and get a drink and something to eat. I'm still hungry, okay?
Okay.
Your bacon sandwich is in the bag and the hot chocolate's there, okay? You okay for a second?
Yeah. I'll just very quickly pause the video. And we did see the Henley on Thames train, which is good. Very, very good. On it, still on camera.
Please eat your bacon sandwich, it's cold.
I just ate a bacon sandwich. There's a TfL rail train coming.
This is a security message.
Oh,
If you
security.
see something that doesn't look right,
Doesn't look
speak to
right.
staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Alright, and I see the headlights of it.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1328 TfL rail service to London Paddington. This is the service from Reading.
You have your sandwich?
So, here it comes. It's Transport for London. Oops. Not too big. Oh. Let me just adjust it. There we go.
Platform 2 does not stop. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to push chairs.
Okay.
We'll be on one of those.
No. Oh, another one! This is like train causer. And it's train.
The fast train now approaching platform 2 does not stop. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and
Tell me another one is coming. Oh, this is a Saturday. It's very busy with the train. We've been here for 8 minutes. I've even got a hot chocolate. So, here it goes. And that looks kind of cool. Now hopefully we get to see the Henley on Thames train again.
Do?
Okay.
Stop it.
TfL rail
So
Stop it.
I'll be back in a sec.